Let me quote the inspiring message of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Learning gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge, and knowledge makes you great. On behalf of the management, I welcome you all to Indian Excellent Education Center. Before we start the inaugural function, to seek the blessings of Almighty, let us hear a prayer song. For that I invite Sneha Murali to the stage.
Ya kundendu tushara haradavala, ya shupravastravrita, ya veena varadanda manditakara, ya shweta padmasana, ya brahmachyuta shankara pratibhite, devai sada pujita, samam padu Saraswati Bhagavati, Nishesha Jadyapaha, Ya kundendu tushara haradavala, Ya shubhravastravrita, Ya veena varadanda manditakara, Ya shweta padmasana, Ya brahmachyuta shankara pratibhite, devai sada pujita, samam padu Saraswati Bhagavati, Nishesha Jadyapaha.
And really, as a teacher, I am convinced that a true facility of education, especially in the higher levels, is still vacant here in Dharan. For the reason, after schooling, a student is a bit confused, rather he is not in a position to gather and grab a good opportunity to study really well so that he can excel in his future life. It is my strong conviction that no student is less capable. Every student, what I can see here, beautiful faces of children, and no one is less capable. As Vedas say, each and every word can be used in a mantra. Any word can be used in a mantra. There is no word which is meaningless. Each and every plant can be used as a medicine. There is no plant which cannot be used. And each and every person is useful if a person is rightly guided, rightly supported, rightly nurtured. In the third part, the right nurture, the right support to a budding young genius is really needed to bring a good nation into the best nation. It is in that gap that IESE come to being. I am strongly convinced that we have a mission with a noble vision. It's absolutely true. Education has a great lot to do. If you want to plant for a year, you need to sow a single seed. The Chinese proverb says. If you want to plant for a year, plant a seed. If you plant for 10 years, plant a tree. And if you plant for 100 years, if you want to change the next 100 years, next 10 generations, educate people. So this is such a noble mission, and it is our strong conviction that we are doing a very, very noble deed of educating the younger generation in the right way. Why I use the word right way is that nowadays we can see a number of institutions, great number of schools, all will come in the same line. But here, it will be having a different touch. Because we do strongly believe strong support, in-depth knowledge, and highly professional attitude and performance, and the strong conviction that whatever we promise, we can deliver, will make an institute successful. I assure you all that you will be in the safest hands of educators here in Bahrain. For the reason, we are well equipped. We have all the facilities that a very best institute can boast. You can compare. Anywhere you go, you can see a number of institutes and compare what you are getting, what you have right at IESE, and what you see outside. I am not the man to tell anything about it. And we have right resources and the right people to deliver what we have. And as of now, even with the dream of starting a number of courses in the coming future, as of now we have a very beautiful program which is all the way brought from Kerala, India, for all the engineering and medical aspirants of the island. One of the most celebrated and successful programs in this line back in India by name Professor P.C. Thomas classes. How many of you have heard of it? I think almost all of you. Professor P.C. Thomas, the pioneer of engineering and medical entrance training in India, I must say. And he has paved the way to carve the future of thousands and thousands of very well acclaimed doctors and engineers who are building the country now. That very particular classes, after a lot of efforts, right now here in Bahrain, under the umbrella of IESE. And we are very proud to say that we were given this opportunity after a lot of deliberations by Professor himself, lot of discussions with his colleagues and all, and finally he chose our chairman to partner with him, giving his right and righteous consent to open the first center here in Bahrain. And that is the start of this. And I can tell you one very important thing. Whenever you study with the IEC Bahrain, you will have the same quality, even more quantity, and the same style what you all will get back in the PC Thomas campus in Kerala. Whether it is the study material, whether it is the question paper, because nowadays the engineering and medical entrance tests are taken in OMR style examinations. The same OMR sheets are brought here, shipped here. So you will have the same feeling, you will have the same study, and you will have the same training over here. It is an off-campus of Professor P.C. Thomas, staying in Bahrain and studying in Kerala. That is it. So it is a boon for the budding doctors and engineers that you are studying with the Professor P.C. Thomas while staying here in Bahrain. So I request all the students and all the parents to grab this opportunity to the maximum. And as of now, we have regular courses. Regular courses is a very, very beautiful blend of both the CBSE board exams and engineering and medical entrance examinations. A child is very secure here because he can get a very good result both in board exam and a good rank in entrance examination too. And secondly, a child does not need to run from one center to the other, one teacher to the other for physics or chemistry or mathematics or biology, because we are providing all the classes right under the same roof, without compromising the quality of teaching material, without compromising the quality of teachers. Why I stress the term teachers? Whatever the books, whatever the materials we have here, it should be delivered and transferred to the students by a very professional, very talented, very committed teacher. We do have them. The selection process of teachers itself is very much is an evidence for that. For the reason, interviewing different teachers from different parts of the country, India. It took a long period of around 4 months to choose the first teacher. So it is carefully and handpicked teachers after rounds of interviews. They have already registered, they have already earned a lot of reputation in their respective subjects. They are highly qualified, richly experienced, and very talented, motivated and committed teachers. So you will be in a very, very safe position. You will be in a very, very good position to achieve more. And in the near future itself, we will be having spoken English classes. We will be having different job-oriented classes like tourism management, food and technology classes, fire and safety classes, and IELTS training, Montessori training. So this institute has a very, very great dream. I strongly believe a great dream is the beginning of a great journey, and the great journey begins with a small step. But for us, it is a small step, and at the same time it's a very, very steady step, because this institute is not an overnight miracle. We have spent around 2.5 years homework, very rigorous homework. Planned very meticulously. Homeworked a lot. Explored different ideas, different possibilities. Thought of various centers, thought of various franchisee options. When I talked to you about Professor P.C. Thomas, we talked about a number of quota-based centers, Delhi-based centers, Chennai-based centers, and finally, all compasses came to the same point, that was P.C. Thomas. Even each and every teachers we select do undergo a very rigorous training directly imparted by Professor P.C. Thomas himself. It is mandatory. It doesn't matter how many years of experience a teacher possesses at the time of his joining. It doesn't matter what the age group he belongs to. A simple business like any other thing. That is our strong conviction. Not only mine, the entire team of IEC. I really remember when the initial days of this planning, around 2 years back, at the residence of Mr. Jayaraj Menon, when we discussed about this thing, he immediately opined, Mr. Saji, just to make some money, we can start a lot of things, lot of other things. I do agree. There are many other businesses. But if you want to make a change in the society, if you want to make a positive impact to the society, to the life of others, you have to take this education as a very, very serious, noble mission. There are certain areas there you cannot compromise. In education, it is not just imparting knowledge alone. There is a very famous saying, educating minds is meaningless unless and until you educate your heart. If you cannot impart proper positive vision into the minds of people, it is meaningless to teach them chemistry. It is meaningless to teach them biology. I do agree with that. A scientist is becoming a positive, resourceful, and really a productive scientist when his vision is positive. Otherwise not. Here, that particular conviction is there. JP sir, I fondly address him like that, Jayapra sir, says that we have to have that particular area also to be addressed. Whoever the students come here, he should be motivated, rightly motivated. He should be guided. He should be given proper moral support. He should be given counseling if needed. It doesn't matter a student comes here for mathematics tuition, a student comes here for engineering entrance training, or a spoken English course, whenever and wherever.
Dear friends and family, now the lighting ceremony is over. The snacks are waiting there. So I don't want to consume too much of your time in between. But still, I have to say a few words just to enlighten you about what's going to happen here, since this is a new institution. So before I explain about the programs here, let me just introduce the center. On board are Gayatri, my daughter, and me. Off board, but yet who directs and guides us is JP, my husband. It's solely his dream that we are working on. Then my son Gautam, he's not here now, but he's also a great support to me and to the entire team. Then our little one, Gauri, she helps us to find a balance between work and family. She guides us regarding how to divide the time between work and family. Then, without the help and support of family and a core team who are very loyal to the center, this dream would never have come true. Now I'll go to the details of the institution and the programs. As you all know, we are associated with Professor P.C. Thomas, and he guides us. He is providing all the support and materials necessary for the institution. So all the study materials and the question papers comes from Thrissur, Kerala, from his center. There are separate books for theory as well as for entrance coaching. So that is, you can see, for example, this is the first year book of mathematics theory. So this is not a very big book. So you may feel, why such a small book? Because he has an experience of more than maybe 5 decades. So he knows exactly what is to be taught to the child to make him efficient enough to write a competitive exam, how to manage the time for studies and for the preparation of entrance exam. So that's why this book, he knows that this is enough. Apart from what is taught in school, this book is enough to cover the theory. The rest is in the hands of the teacher. So, and there is a separate book for entrance coaching also. So what we are planning is to go side by side with theory coaching and entrance coaching. So one topic from the theory will be covered, and then immediately we'll go to the entrance-based coaching on that particular topic. And then during the weekend, that is on Saturday, there will be a test based on the topics taught. So that will be for 3 hours, and it will be purely on the basis of the entrance exam that they will be writing. So on the same mode and model, question papers will be prepared along with the OMR sheets that they will be attempting for the entrance exam. So all Saturdays are devoted entirely and exclusively for the exam purpose, for writing the exam. So by the end of a week, a child will study in detail the theory as well as the entrance-based questions for that theory, and will write an exam based on that on Saturday. So that's how the program will progress. Then we are offering 3 programs to the children. So that is, there is a vacation program, regular program, and weekend program. The vacation program will be during the vacation. From the name itself, it is clear that is that now the July is almost over. So 1 week of July and the entire month of August. So during the vacation, that is, there will be morning session as well as afternoon session. A child can choose either the morning session or the afternoon session according to his or her convenience. For the 11th standard children, the timing will be from 8 to 1 p.m. in the morning, or he or she can choose the afternoon session, which will be from 2 to 7. That is, totally it will be 5 hours session. For the 12th standard, it will be 6 hours session in the morning or in the afternoon. It will be from 8 to 2 p.m. in the morning and 2 to 8 in the afternoon. In between, there will be break also. So this will continue for the vacation time. After the vacation, once the school reopens, then there will be a difference in timing, because morning time children will be engaged in the school. So then the timing will be from 4 to 7 p.m. for the 11th standard children and 4 to 8 p.m. for the 12th standard. That is 3 hours for 11th standard and 4 hours for the 12th standard children. So this is the regular program will go in continuation of the vacation program, and this will continue till the end of April. So in between, that is when the exam comes for the board exam, the children will not be coming here because they will be busy writing the board exam. So that is in April it will continue. Then after April also they can come here, if we know the exact date of the NEET exam, because now the entrance exam is going to be changed to the NEET schedule. So once we know the date, maybe we can make, it may extend a little more. Otherwise, also when the program ends in April, the children can come here in May. All the teachers will be available. Whatever doubts they have, they can clear with the teachers. So that is not a part of the program. That is, the program will end in by the end of April, but they can come over in May with all their doubts. All the teachers will be available here to clear their doubts. Then the next is weekend program. So that is during this vacation and regular program, coaching will be given in theory as well as for the entrance. The weekend program, it will be on Fridays and Saturdays. That is, we are giving that only for the 11th standard children, because it will be only entrance coaching will be given for the weekend program. Theory will not be taught in detail for this weekend program. It will be from 8 to 1 p.m. That is 5 hours in the morning, or the children can choose the afternoon session from 3 to 8 p.m. That is 5 hours program. For them, test will be given fortnightly, that is once in 2 weeks. Then for those who have taken additional mathematics, for them they can have classes on Fridays and Saturday afternoons. So only one session we are giving, that is from 3:30 to 7 p.m., 3.5 hours. This is solely for the children, those who have taken the biology stream but have taken additional mathematics also. Again, additional mathematics, no, that is the weekend program is for 11th standard children only. Additional mathematics we are providing for 11th as well as 12th standard children. For them, test will be given monthly. So what we actually are planning is to have a comprehensive and detailed study of the teaching techniques for the children, those who are interested in attempting entrance coaching. Because the one thing that we noticed here in Bahrain is that there are no professionally run entrance coaching centers here. Children, they have to run from one tuition center to the other, and their entire day is lost. Entrance coaching. And once in a month, there will be half an hour session with each subject teacher of PC Thomas class in Thrissur. That is, once in a month, each subject teacher will come through video session and give half an hour session for the entrance bring out. And not just academic guidance, but also, that is, motivational guidance will also be given. And wherever they are lacking, individually our teachers will take care of those areas and will try to guide them in the right manner. So now I will introduce our teachers also. 2 of them have already joined us. Our maths teacher is Mr. Navamani. He is from Tamil Nadu. And then our chemistry teacher, Mr. Hamza. He is from Kerala. Both were, that is, after interviewing many, we shortlisted some of them and finally we chose them. So from the feedbacks that we got from the students, they are very experienced as well as very good in their line of teaching. That is, Navamani already started teaching student here, and the feedback that I got from that student is that maths till now was a boring subject to me, because I don't know why all maths teachers are very serious. But Mr. Navamani is not like that. He's not at all serious. He cracks jokes in between, and so now maths is interesting to me. So that's the feedback that I got from the student who already started coming here for maths tuitions. Then the biology teacher and the physics teacher will join us very soon. That is, biology teacher most probably by next week he'll be here, and physics teacher will also be here in maybe 10 or 12 days. He will also join us. So this is our crew here. So now, if you have any more doubts, you can come to me and I will surely clear your doubts. So I wish that this center will be, I wish and I know that this center will surely become a success by the joint effort of the parents, the teachers and the management. So wish you and me and this center all the very best.
Your work well done. For the past 2 years, the team were working very hard to reach where we are today. It's a lot of hard work with my friends, my cousins, my friends, my family, all worked on it, and finally we reached where we are today. When I came to Bahrain a couple of years back, that was in 2014, till that time I was in Kuwait, and I had a plan in my mind to have an education institution. When I came here, I met Mr. Hadi. He is my first friend in Bahrain, and I shared with him what I want to have. Then I had shared with one of my ideas. Then suddenly, I came to know him in Bahrain. Then I had a lot of discussion with him. We met a lot of people in the Bahrain. We went to many doors. Wherever we went, I mean, it was something, some problem or some other things. It was not the way I wanted. People they had business mentality. People they had different attitude, different. I mean, all different things. It was not aligned with me. But I was looking actually not only to do business, but at the same time, I want to do business also. So it's not a charity, I can tell you. But I'll make sure that every child coming here will get what the parents are looking for. That's the commitment. That's definitely that will happen. So even just give this education. We thought of many franchises, we had a lot of discussion on that thing. When the PC Thomas came also, even I went with him a couple of times to meet him, have the discussion. He was very happy and very willingly he agreed with me. Today, he started teaching on 4th July 1960. In fact, I had planned to start this institution on 4th July. But due to some unforeseen reasons, Ministry of LMRA and the Ministry of Education, some approvals did not get it, some visas was not got it. Even though my friend Mr. Letish tried hard, but we could not reach. So that's the reason we did. Always on the 56th anniversary of C.C. Thomas started his career, I would have started his first institution abroad in India. That was the plan. So he will be giving all the director and Mr. Sajay had explained all those, whatever the facilities will be provided here. So I'm not getting into that part. My job is actually to be the thanksgiving. To that thing I can say that the few people I invited is none other than the people who work with me. So it's the people who work with me, who help me to reach here, the people are invited. So it's not making it a big event, it's a very soft launch. To make it as okay, the institution is inaugurated today. We have the classes starting from next week. So to name the person, I can say that one of the most had impacted and helped me to reach it is none other than Mohan. He guided me, he helped me a lot. He has given me all the advice, so what to do, what not to do. I mean, more than what to do, he told me what not to do. That was really a good guidance to me. So I really follow him, I take advice, and I will step from him. Thank you very much for that. And I don't want to name anyone because everyone is equally important to me. That's why you are here today. Thank you very much.